Hello everyone, I am Ankita Jangid, Assistant Professor. Now, my today's topic is IHRM, International Human Resource Management. This is a topic from the Unit 3rd of Management Paper 2. Now, what is human resource management? As we all know, that human resource is the most important factor in every organization. So, to deal with them is really a very challenging task. An organization which is capable of satisfying their human resource that only can survive in this era of competition. If you motivate your employees, then they will give a wonderful performance, an outstanding performance, and by the help of their wonderful performance, by their outstanding performance, your organization can lead to a success. So it's important to manage human resource in a very effective manner. Now let's start. IHRM, International Human Resource Management. International Human Resource Management in an organization deal with recruitment, selection, training and development, compensation, performance management, safety, wellness of an employee and industrial relation, etc. International Human Resource Management also deal with human rights in corporation worldwide. Now, as we all know, what is human resource management? Human resource management deals with recruitment, selection, training, after providing training, development programs, then performance appraisals, then compensations, then safety and wellness of employees is also comes under the human resource management. Now, in the same manner, international human resource management deal with all these tasks. So, let's start. Now, these all are the approaches to managing international human resource management, and this is the very important topic related to Unit 3rd. Now, there are 4 approaches to manage the international human resource management. These are ethnocentric approach, polycentric approach, regiocentric approach and geocentric approach. Now, you can learn all these approaches in shortcut. So, shortcut of these approaches are EPRG. E stands for ethnocentric, P stands for polycentric, R stands for regiocentric and G stands for geocentric. Now we will learn all these in detail. Number 1 is ethnocentric approach. What is ethnocentric approach? As we all have heard the word ethnic, that is related to the culture, cultural values. Now, in the same manner, ethnocentric approach is related to the cultural values. It is the approach where organization favors home country rather than the host country. All the key decisions will be taken by home country. So, ethnocentric approach emphasizes on their home country. All the key decisions will be taken by the home countries only, and all the rest countries, they have to follow their orders. So, in this ethnocentric approach, organization favors only their home countries. Next, polycentric approach. When an organization favor the host country rather than the home country, that is known as polycentric approach. Regiocentric approach. When organization favors development of particular region rather than home or host countries. Now, as the name suggests, regiocentric, according to the region, organization will favors their countries. Geocentric approach. An organization that applies the global integrated business strategy to manage with their staff and employees. Geocentric, geography, in geography it will include all the countries. Now, in this approach, an organization will not favor any host or any home country. They will focus on global, where organization does not favor any region or country but viewed as a whole world as a unified market. They will see an organization in a one view. They will not favor any country or any region according to their approach. So geocentric is much more practical approach in this EPRG approach of managing the international human resource management. So in this video we have learned all the 4 approaches of international human resource management and what is international human resource management. Now this is a very important topic from the point of view to your NET exam. Hope it is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.